If you don't own a Mavic and you're watching this, just take that into consideration. Other than that, so the Mavic the Mavic Pro, it's outside of warranty by like 4 days. Legit 4 days. I had a big fight with DJI. Go back to the first video, the Mavic Pro ribbon problem. And in the comments, it wasn't really a fight, but I called it an inherent problem that the DJI Mavic Pro has with the ribbon cable. They say it's not fair enough. It's like every 3 out of 10, I guess. Because if you go have a look on the internet, there's a buttload of these cases where the ribbon cable on the Mavic goes. What makes it even more intricate and confusing and expensive and a plain right pain in the bum is the fact that the guys who sold the drone to me, they have a shop on the side that fixes the drones as well. But they're not allowed to fix anything on the camera. That's instructions from DJI. In order to replace the ribbon cable, they need to take the camera apart. And that's a big no-no. DJI said, ship it to us, we'll fix it and send it back. The only problem is the cost to get it from Johannesburg, South Africa to Hong Kong is something like 5 grand. That's a round trip. That's 2,500 rand there, 2,500 rand back. That's without them even touching the drone. That's without them inspecting and quoting. Now, what's the point in sending the drone there and then I can't afford to fix it and then having to ship it back? Then I'm 5 grand out of pocket. So the other option, if I don't send it to DJI, is to have the reseller fix it. But that is 8,010 rand because I have to replace the entire camera. That's the camera and labor. Now, I had a look on Amazon and the camera part alone is like 5.5 grand if I have to replace the whole thing. That's excluding shipping, so let's say about 6 grand with shipping. But I don't want to do that. I'm not going to replace something if it's not broken. I just have to replace the cable. So the plan is to take a gamble and import a cable, a ribbon cable, which is going to cost me about 400 rand. That's the cable itself, which is like $100. To ship it here, extra whatever, let's say 400 bucks, 500. So I'd rather lose 500 rand than lose 5 grand in shipping. So that's the plan. My drone is perfect. Nothing wrong with it. Even when the shop took it apart to have a look and send the diagnostic to DJI, they said that it's just that. That's the only problem. Now, they didn't specify the ribbon cable. That's my only worry. But it is the ribbon cable. I just think that DJI giving 6 months on a part that is so fragile, and to make it that expensive to fix, like it's almost half the drone's price. I bought the fly more combo. If you don't buy the fly more combo and you just go for the drone, that's about half the drone's price it's going to cost me to fix it. Oh, go watch the previous video that I did with my drone. That was one of the last things I shot before it broke. It's so beautiful. I'm proud of it. 59 seconds of your life. That's how long that video is. Go check it out. I love you. You love me. Let's just, And DJI, I'm not mad at you, I'm just, disappointed. But, do you guys want to see quick 20-second clip of what I did with the DJI Ronin in Braamfontein? Check this shit out.